Alright, so today we are actually going to solve this free Wi-Fi problem. So if you're just in case you're curious how you can get the first 10 digits of this answer to get a free Wi-Fi, just in case you came across this free Wi-Fi problem, so you need to watch this. The quick answer is the answer is pi. You can just calculate the 10 digits and you can go away. But now let's just see how this evaluates to pi. Now we will just open up the brackets. So now we will actually evaluate these two integrals separately. So it just says if the limit is minus a to a, and if f of x is minus of f, which means that it is an odd function, then the integral is 0. So now let's just check this real quick. Alright, you can clearly see this happens to be minus x cube. And talking about this cos function, the cos is positive in first and the fourth quadrant, and minus x results in this, which means cos is positive here. So this is our original function. So you can clearly see this is an odd function. The integral here, provided the limits is minus a to a, in this case it's minus 2 to 2, the integral is actually just 0. So this over here evaluates to 0. Now we will evaluate this integral. Alright, so if you look closely, we have a special formula. So this is the formula, but we will not gonna use this. We will use an analytical approach to this, which everyone can understand basically. So if we clearly see, if we write y is equal to square the both sides. Now this here is an equation of a circle. So this is basically the radius. Y square plus x square is equal to radius square, which means radius is 2. Alright, so the limits are from minus 2 to 2 and the radius is actually 2. So the area we are gonna find is this one. We know that the area of circle is pi r squared. Half of this, because we are only taking a semicircle, is half. And then above we can see minus 1 by 2 multiplied with this area under the curve. So our area under the curve is actually this. So now we're going to multiply it by half. Value of radius is actually 2. So this happens to be pi. 2 cos square is 4, and then 4. Cancel this out, we get pi. Now this whole integral evaluates to pi. So our final integral is pi. Now obviously the first 10 digits of pi is, so this is actually your Wi-Fi password. So wherever you go in a restaurant or a university and this integral pops up, you have to write this for 10 digits and that's your password. Thank you.